like ready for it.
I'm ready.
All in traffic. Just been like 25. Yeah. Sleeping on my please watch them little Jordan niggas. I kick so I have zero conversations to fit in my pockets. Watching my move, nigga. Yeah, you out in my pockets. Too official, I was humble on this one. I'm watching.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Another video, man. Y'all can see I got my boy Gabe on there, man. You know, he pulled up in that kitty thing. I ain't seen this man. Look, last time this man was on my channel when you had the 10-speed, bro. And how long ago that was? Like,
that long?
It's been that long. That was like 2 years ago, at least. 3?
I had to see for 2 years.
He went from 10-speed to Supra to the beast. To the beast, man. To the beast.
It's about to make 1,000.
Oh yeah.
So I'm I had a scat before.
Did you have that?
I had a scat for it was a TA 392 before the 10-speed.
What color was it? Gray?
It was black.
Black?
Well, like matte black hood, roof truck.
Oh, that was before the 10-speed.
Yeah.
Okay, I think so. Yeah. For sure. Oh. Okay. And who bet this is? Yours or his? It's yours. Anything done to it, bro?
I just got a little spoiler done to it. That's it.
Okay.
What do you think his tags is?
I was gonna say T-Money, but talk to me nicey. I don't know.
TikTok money.
Oh, dang, I like it. Y'all make sure y'all go follow him, man. All right. You got TikTok too, bro? You don't do TikTok? Man, did you change yours to SIT Gabe on TikTok too? Hellcat Gabe. Gotcha. Man, you got a photography page, so you want to shoot? Okay, oh yeah, bet. It all his right there. So man, real quick, we finna go to this spot. You know, I'm gonna do a little lunch, man, but I also want to get some footage real quick, but you know how we do it, man. So I'm gonna wait till we get to the spot, man, and I'm gonna turn the camera back on. Man, what it do, man? Look, man, hey, my boy Gabe done pulled up on me, man, from Birmingham, bro. And like I said, man, y'all seen him last time we had a 10-speed, man, but he done popped out with this beauty, man. And y'all see that green belt? It's greening. And y'all know I love grip tech pulleys, man. Grip tech pulleys make the belt stop unstoppable, right? So got the leg maker on there, man. Got the Corsa catch can, green belt with the wide body. She thick, boy, with the bronze wheels on it. Bro, I'm talking about this mother looks so good, man. Oh, y'all make sure y'all go follow my guy. Turn around, bro.
Oh yeah, right here too.
Follow on all platforms, you know what I'm saying? There you go. Y'all make sure y'all do that for me. What the inside look like, bro?
For inside.
Oh, she on her period.
Red interior, bro.
She on her period. It's bloody. Ooh, got a protection. Gotta stay safe, kid. Man, let me hear it one time, man. Let me hear it one time. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, man. I'm gonna do a quick little lunch with Gabe in the truck, man.
Oh, we about to launch it, man. I'm excited for this.
Custom mode.
Y'all ain't ready for this, man. I'm not even ready for it.
You ready, bro?
I'm ready. Dude, man, I need an all-wheel drive car. I need an all-wheel drive car.
All right, so I got my boy Christian right here in the C7 drop top, hard tire, and you know what I'm saying? I got my boy Gabe. Apparently they gonna do a little racy race. So we gonna see, man. Hold on. All right, man, we finally out here, man. I had to put my son together, man. But, man, we got We got all types of cars out here, man. You know what I'm saying? I got my boys out here, man. You know what I'm saying, y'all? Yeah.
Two Saint, dog, we coming.
Yeah, okay, man. Shout it out, man. Shout it out.
Chevrolet to the front. That's all I'm saying.
See, you trying to start some mess on the channel, man. That's the man right there, man. Tell me your IG, man, YouTube, all that, bro.
Hey, look, Lil Dot Nelson 16, YouTube, Lamar Nelson 50, 16. All on in Montgomery with a Batmobile.
Okay, and we're gonna drop our love right there, man. I got the man, y'all got to excuse the truck. I ain't get a chance to watch it, man. I ain't get a chance to do none of that. But you know, I was trying to save us a whole little Mopar section, man, but we got nice little Demon right here, man. This the Demon 170 too. Y'all know how them Demon 170s come on them sticky Mickeys, man. It's money sitting right here, bro. It's number money sitting right here. Then we got the old school, what is it, a Bel Air? 55, no. 56. These one of my favorite old school cars, man, these Bel Airs. Y'all see the tag, man. 1025 horsepower. Big Demon 170 sitting right here, man. Big Demon 170. Then they got another Demon right here, back to back. How you doing? Got the Hellcat red eye joint right here. Oh man, they got the whole little lineup. Of course, y'all know my guy Lance, man. He gonna keep this car clean. See, man, now I got to really get mine cleaned up. Now, cause I know better, man. Coming to a car show with a dirty truck, I ain't have time, man. Feel me? Got the bead locks on that thing with the sticky Mickey ooey ooeys. See if I see any green belts. Nah, man, we still stock. Stock 335 pulley on that thing, wide bodied out though. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes, man. Got Mr. Sam sitting right there with his Supra. Y'all seen this one last night. The man, the myth, the legend, himself. What's up, man? Tell me something good and stick to it.
Car's fast. Tires are hooking.
Okay.
Looking for a race.
Hey, man.
Street car.
It's a lot of opportunity out here, man. It's a lot. This is the best turnout yet.
This is a really good.
This is the best turnout it's ever been, man.
I mean, there's a variation of, you know.
Different classics, street cars, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's some Germans up front. I saw AOG. Hey, when I first I thought it was you when I pulled up, so I just saw yours.
Yeah.
Who car is this? This yours? What's up, man? Rob, man. Hey, man, I like this. You as fast as him?
Not yet.
Not yet.
It's gonna be faster.
Faster?
When I'm done, this is gonna be a faster car.
So you gonna build it?
I'm gonna help him.
You gonna help him?
He's gonna do it today.
You gonna take it to Texas?
Mine will go to Texas. Because I'll have the turbos before him.
I ain't gonna say it on camera. I'm not gonna say it on camera.
Yeah. But this is the all-wheel drive version.
I was literally just about to ask, is this all-wheel drive?
This is the lineup right now.
Yours not all-wheel drive?
Look at the tires.
But that don't mean nothing. People put radios on the Trackhawk all the time.
On the front too, though.
No, just like they'll put a street radio on the front on a 20-inch rim.
Yeah, you have to have the
and then put a 17 on the back because, you know, like 60% of the weight transfer might go to the back, but.
These, you got to keep the same aspect. So he has to do both same size.
Gotcha, yeah.
It'll throw off the balance.
That's why I'm going to do mine the same way, man. I'm going to do street R's all the way around, probably some 315s. Like, cause, like, have you always been, like, German engineering, or you always?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I was JDM first when I was younger, but now this, but it's like, I can turn everything off.
Yeah.
From a button, get 28 miles per gallon. I went to Florida. I was in North Carolina, sitting like this.
Yeah.
And then I get on the track and run 9s in the quarter.
Definitely, man. This is dope.
You know, knock on wood, but 17,000 miles in, tuned at 2,000 miles.
What when you're in front of this, right?
Not a problem.
Still good.
You know, I keep it honest with it.
I like the inside, man.
Yeah, the buckets.
Yeah, no, just like that, but the color as well.
Yeah.
Absolutely, bro.
I believe that I can get him forward on it.
Hold on. Yeah, give me 1 second. Hold on. Man, if y'all know me, man, y'all know I love me a Regal, bro. I love me a Regal, man. Straight OG, man. Original. This more so clean. Man, y'all say what's happening, man. Mr. Hollywood himself, man. Listen, I was just telling him, man, I be watching this stuff, man. He be doing so much stuff to this bike, you would think it was a car. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and give him a good follow real quick. Y'all see it right there, man. I ain't know you can put bikes on E85. I ain't know you can put, like, man, I've learned there's so much stuff you can do with bikes, bro. Only thing I won't do is ride one. I can't do it, bro. I can't, man, listen, they say you scared on, don't get on them, and I can't do it. I'm finna get my little man, but you know what I'm saying? He been asleep, but he finally awake now, so I'm gonna put him in his little stroller. Buddy, Trey, you up? You ready to see some cars? Yeah, high five. Let's do it, buddy.
I'm gonna call back.
Buddy.
You want me to push him so you get his reaction?
Hey, man, tell the people, hey. Trey, tell the people, hey. Say, hey. Mustang with the yellow accents in it. Yellow seats, yellow accents on it. I like that. So you like that?
So is this the try to do at car shows? Like, y'all walk around?
Look at other people's cars and they judge them and stuff like that.
Oh, you in the competition?
Nah. Trey, they got a Super B. You like that color, buddy? What sound the car make? Trey, what sound the car make? What sound the car make?
Wow, Trey, this how you act.
Wow, you act on camera. They got the Super B right here, man. They got another wide body. Yeah, wide body Hellcat. No, the Super B is a Scat Pack.
Okay, and this.
But it's a Hellcat, yeah. Big wide body, and she thick too, y'all. She thick.
Like you like it.
Inside, Hellcat sign.
These are fast then. Oh yeah, these are.
Boy, nah. This right here, this a drag car. Huh? Hey, y'all, check this out. Believe it or not, this is a supercharger.
I'm sorry, Trey.
This is a supercharger on that car. Yeah.
That's what that is?
Yeah, and it got 2 carburetors on it. That's the carburetor. It got 2 of them joints on it.
Okay.
Old school. And it got 2 big bottles of gas on it. Ooh, wee.
So this is an actual race car?
Yeah, this is a drag car. This is going on this track. Supercharged and it got nitrous.
Oh,
Trey, tell Mike in the slow Mustang to rev it. I just playing. What's up, bro? You good? I'm just messing with you, man.
I'll be ready trying to track on.
Hey, I don't want no problem. The road car. It says Procharged. Daddy's money, but I'm daddy. Junior. Oh shit, that is Junior. This you now? This you now? Hold up, bro. You lying. What up, man?
We can probably go in a little bit because we could go into Birmingham. We were watching the game.
Oh, for real?
We want to see guys on the
Ooh.
It's my content.
I thought this was one of yours.
Huh?
I thought this was one of yours.
Get on, he's hood.
Nah, yeah, fuck that. So, Gabe finna do a quick road race with Raul with the Procharged Camaro. So, 60 to what?
Procharged Camaro. Probably get 60 to 130.
60 to 130, man. Procharged Camaro SS versus
Before it gets dark, it's starting to get dark.
a Hellcat.
You guys, so. Hey, can you yell 1, 2, 3? You yell 1, 2, 3? All right. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, yeah, screen. Hey, this a fast car, skirt, all in traffic. Just spent like 2,500 on the traffic. Being too humble turned a nigga to a savage.